When we talk about some of the aspects of what we want to do, like develop grazing to a sports complex which you can be proud of. But that is not just for sport. Money start making sport now, you know. Look on Usain Bolt. So young people that can run, play football and other sports can achieve economic growth. So we can't keep looking at the same sources of income for our community. We have to diversify. So sport is not just run up and down and have fun. It is about economic development for the community. When we talk about agriculture, we talk about cooperatives, which is something that Norman Washington Manley championed for the Jamaican people. We come together and work together. We have to unify. We have to centralize our efforts and work together. Education and training is critical because that is a highway to success. But the one thing I want the young people to remember, I am young too. Our generation needs to make an impact on our country. It is our time to step forward. We can't ask the same people to keep working on and on. Some of you fly the gate. Fly the gate for me. Me will hold it open and you come in too. Everybody can come through the gate. Me are not the only person to come through the gate.